It's now I woke up. Now the time is 6:30 a.m. This is how my face looks at the morning after my night skincare. Good morning. Now doing my morning duties, first brushing my teeth and after face wash. Without any skincare products on, my face felt free and taking some vitamin D. At the morning, drinking water is must. At least drink 700 to 1 liter water daily, which is compulsory at morning. Water keeps you hydrated and clean body, so you must drink water. Now it's time for breakfast. Gonna make methi ka paratha. Actually यहाँ मेथी easily मिलता नहीं. It's very rare. बहुत कम था इसलिए मैं पराठा बना रही हूँ. So for that, first I chopped the methi slightly. And ginger, garlic and also chili. First I half cooked this methi with some tadka with ginger, garlic and chili and jeera. Now let's make a dough. In dough, I added chili powder, ajwain, salt and ghee. Ghee is mainly for soft dough. And made a soft dough. Let it be rested for half an hour. Meanwhile, let's go and do some stretching. So in this video, I didn't show any stretching and exercise. Now exercise is done, so I'm roaming in the balcony. Now paratha is ready. I'm gonna have this with salted butter and dahi, which is great combination for parathas. Now I shot some video. Iske baad I made a lunch, but I didn't shot that process of lunch. And now I had some work in the laptop, so I'm doing that. Okay, I have done lots of work and I had my lunch at 3. Okay, now the time is 6:30. It's evening and yeah, let's see what I'm going to do right now. And now at last I edited some videos before dinner.